Hello, brothers and sisters of first year MBBS. Welcome to the CRISP and Concise series. Here, I will have a concise presentation of each and every topic of anatomy, physiology, and biochemistry in a unique manner for the next few days to learn them concisely for the final examination, that is the first professional MBBS exam. And also, I will try to give some strategies and tricks to score more marks and try to be a topper. And I will discuss how I topped in first professional MBBS exam in my college, that is Assam Medical College Dibrugarh. Hope you all will love the series and you will get benefited, and stay tuned. Thank you all. To get the updates by subscribing my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified for each videos. Thank you. And for the NEET aspirants, I would recommend them to subscribe my another channel, NEET Lectures 2020. I will give the link below where you will get to find videos only related to NEET examination. And for my intro, sorry, I should have given my intro at the first itself, but myself Alima Aktar, I am a third year medical student from Assam Medical College Dibrugarh. Thank you. Do subscribe my channel to get notified. Please do not forget to subscribe to get the concise and crisp presentation of each and every topic. I have already prepared them, just I will upload them. Thank you.